Welcome to 8059 Rhea Circle in Orlando. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home that's been completely remodeled. Let's start off by taking a look at the neighborhood. Right now it's about 12:30. You can see it's dead quiet. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. As you can see on this side, you have a carport out here. Let's go up to the front door. You can probably line up about 3 cars back to back in your driveway. Go through the front door. Let's see what's waiting for us inside. Okay, see, this is a sort of open concept home. When you walk in, you get into the living room. This entire house has porcelain floors like this. There's no carpet, so no dirt and stuff to worry about, and allergies and that sort of thing. Each room has a ceiling fan, all the major areas I should say. And this is your living area. This is your dining area over here. We'll spin around real quick so you can see. That's your living area over here. Let's take a look at your dining area in here and your kitchen. As you can see, beautiful modern look. The cabinets, some appliances are stainless steel. Got granite countertops. Stainless steel sink. The appliances, the range on the water heater is gas. This house does have gas service, so you'll be able to save a lot on your electric bill. Again, let's take a look at the kitchen one more time. Let's see the rest of the house. Walking past the living area. This is your hall. You can see how nice and bright everything is. On your left, there's 1 bedroom. Pretty much standard stuff. With your closet over here. This is your bedroom number 2. A lot bigger than the other bedroom. You can use this as a master. Oh, there's another large bedroom on the other side. There's your closet space as usual. Ceiling fan. All the ceilings in the house are nice modern textured ceilings. So you get that nice fresh look. And here's your 3rd bedroom. Again, tiled all the way through. Slightly bigger, I think, than the other bedroom on the other side. There's your closet. There's your reverse look at your hallway. As we come down, here's your bathroom. Very fresh and crisp. Gray tile with white fixtures. Lovely blue cabinet with granite countertop. There's your mirror. Nice modern vanity lights. Back up. Let's continue on. On both sides, you actually have 2 closets. Here's one of them. It's pretty big. Hall closet over here. And there's another small hall closet down there as well. You can store stuff in. This house has central air all the way around. In this room here, next to your dining area, is your laundry room that's in-house. So over here you'll see this is where your dryer goes, this is where your washing machine hookup is, the electric panel for the house, and there's your water heater. Again, you got gas service to this house, so you're going to be saving a lot of money in electricity. The laundry room also has a direct pathway outside. to the house to your carport where we first started. This entire home is fenced as well. Take a quick look at that. There you go. And you can see you have a huge shed in the back here. You can also store your stuff outside, as well as a covered area that you can relax as a patio. Put some chairs out here and just relax in some of this weather. Quick look at the back of the house. You can see it's completely fenced in. If you want your kids to play in the back or anything like that. And that's it. Let's go to the front. Again, and that's it. Roll back up to the front to your carport. And that's it. We're back at the front door. That's it for 8059 Rhea Circle in Orlando.